Hello, my name is Selena. Welcome to ViewSonic London headquarters. Today we will be unboxing our latest portable projector, the M1 Pro, which is an upgrade of one of the most popular portable projector, the M1 Plus. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So first let's remove this cover here. So once you open the box, you will be greeted by the quick start guide here. So in this box you will find the power cable to charge your portable projectors. So it comes with a EU plug and a UK plug. One of the benefits of the M1 Pro is that it comes with a built-in battery, so you don't have to have a power socket to power it on. It also comes with this semi-rigid case to take your projector anywhere you go, and it fills all the cables necessary in there. So let's open the case here. So on the case you will find a USB-C cable, the remote control that comes with battery, and the M1 Pro. You may have noticed that the M1 Pro has a similar design to the M1 Plus, but it is slightly bigger and has a native resolution of 720p HD compared to 480p for M1 Plus. The M1 Pro adopts a mesh texture and comes with an embedded touch keypad for intuitive operation, achieving both great function and style at once. So one of the key features of the M1 Pro is its smart stand that serves three different functions. First, it serves as a lens cover when the projector is not in use. Secondly, when you slide down the lens cover, it will auto power on the projector for instant entertainment. Thirdly, the stand can swivel to allow 360-degree projection, so you can project easily on your ceiling, for example. The LED light source of the M1 Pro delivers consistent 600 LED lumens brightness without lamp replacement for 30,000 hours, making it more durable than most lamp-based projectors. As most of our projectors in our M and X series, the M1 Pro is equipped with built-in armored carbon speakers, providing crisp, clear and powerful audio performance for live concert or exciting games anytime and anywhere. Setup is easy thanks to horizontal and vertical keystone, plus 4-corner adjustment capabilities for even more flexible setup like side projection, for example. You can get a 100-inch projection from 2.38 meters. The M1 Pro is a smart projector equipped with Wi-Fi for wireless screen mirroring and/or casting from your phone or other smart devices. It also comes with Bluetooth connectivity to either use your portable projector as a speaker or to connect your Bluetooth headphones to enjoy a personal cinema experience. Other connectivity includes 2 USB Type-C ports, 1 HDMI 1.4, 1 USB Type-A port, and a 3.5mm audio out. The M1 Pro is a perfect model for you if you're looking for a portable projector solution to use either at home or on trips without compromising sound performance. It is also one of the best solutions if you're new to projectors, as it is very easy to use and set up without prior technical knowledge. That was a first look at a new M1 Pro projector. For more information, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.